Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. In this video, I will share what are the steps we have to follow for applying monetization. As we all know, for applying monetization, we have to complete the criteria of 1000 subscribers and 4000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. After completing this criteria successfully, we are now eligible to apply for monetization. After completing 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, we will get a mail from YouTube like this. After receiving this mail from YouTube, we have to go to the YouTube studio and click monetization section. There, now we can see a blue bar for apply. Now we have to click on apply now. Then we will get like this one page. Here we can see three main steps for applying monetization. Step 1 is review partner program terms. Now we have to click on start button. After clicking start button, we can get like this terms and conditions of partner program. After reading the terms and conditions carefully, we have to tick on the accept column. By this, we successfully completed the first step. Here we can see the first step is done. Now it is the time to start second step. In this step, we are going to create an AdSense account. If you have an existing AdSense account, you can connect that account to the channel. For creating an AdSense account, we have to click on the start button. After clicking start button, we will get like this one interface. Our channel ID and URL will come as default there. There, they will give you three options. First one, yes, I have an existing account. Second, no, I don't have an existing account. And third, I don't know. If you don't have an existing AdSense account, you can select the second option. And then we have to press on continue. Then we will get like this one interface. There we have to select our country and we have to carefully read the terms and conditions. After reading the terms and conditions carefully, we have to tick on the accept column. Then we have to click on create account. After clicking create account, we will get like this one interface. This is the most important step of this process. Here, carefully we have to provide all our details in the accurate way. Here, we have to provide our name and address as same as in our ID card. A minor spelling mistake also will get a big problem in this process. So, be extra careful while doing this step. So, by providing our details, we successfully completed the second step. Here, it is showing that the second step is in progress. This second step will take nearly 6 hours to get complete. For me, it taken nearly 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, it's shown the second step is done. It means I have successfully linked an AdSense account. After completing the second step, automatically the third step will get started. In third step, the YouTube team will review your channel for whether your channel following the YouTube policies and guidelines properly or not. After reviewing if everything will be okay, YouTube team will send you a congratulation mail. This moment will be very exciting for all of us. After receiving this mail, we have to go to the YouTube Studio section and check our videos. In that section, all our videos monetization will be off that time. We have to select each videos and we have to on the monetization for each of it. Hope you all got some basic information about the steps of applying monetization from my video. If you feel it was informative, please like my video, comment your valuable opinions and share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Adi Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a great day.